So let's be honest with each other here, okay? How many of you have played Destiny, and how many of you have put in way more time into Destiny than you would like to admit? Write down in the comments how much time you have put into Destiny, whether it be Destiny 1 or Destiny 2. I can tell you myself, guys, I'm a big Destiny fan. You can see I always have my little ghost in my background here. I played so much Destiny, even from Destiny 1, pushing Atheon off the edge with the grenades and everything, you know what I mean? But we all gotta admit, it's such a great game. The gameplay is a blast and everything. And the stuff we're gonna talk about today, it just has me nerding out, right? It's new releases from SteelSeries, their collaboration with Destiny. They have their mouse, the headset, and the mouse pad right here. I haven't opened this stuff yet. I've been waiting to share this with you guys. I'm super excited. I bet you guys are excited to check this stuff out as well, because it is absolutely stinking gorge, at least looking at the box. So let's get right to the point. We're gonna start with the mouse pad right here, because then we can have it underneath while we're opening everything else. I think it would be really cool. Now, as you're gonna notice, in every product we open, it's gonna include a little exclusive content. Like the mouse pad here has an in-game emblem. I have no idea what the emblem is. I don't even know if it shows it on the box. It does not. So anyways, let's pop this bad boy open. Super excited about it. Now, y'all know the QCK Prism is the mouse pad with the RGB going around the edge. All right, so our wire is white here as well. Yo, this thing is in here tight. Okay, I just ripped the box. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at this, guys. I can just see there's not like flat white as it looks in the box or something, right? Yo, it's packaged really nice. All right. So as you see over here, there's our connections. You got a little SteelSeries logo, as you can see. That's our USB port. It is wired or white. And then just look at it, guys. It goes really good. The other QCK, the black one, it was like black and then you saw the clear. You don't really see the clear on the edge right there. But it's definitely like, you got white. You can see it really well in the camera as it's picking up the blue, kind of off-whitish, tannish, and then like a little purplish, darker blue down here. It's really picking up the colors very well. And as you see down here, you have all the factions. It is painted on, and you do kind of feel it as you press across it. But yo, this thing is stinking gorge. All right, so which one should we do next? The headset or the mouse right here? You know, since we just did the mouse pad, let's go on and do the mouse. And again, as you can see right down here on the package of the box, in-game emote. And again, I'm not too sure what these are. We'll take a look at them once we pop them open. Rival 5 Destiny. Oh my goodness, guys. Before I even take it out, yo, now do you feel it? Okay, so you can feel the little design on there a little bit. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is so good looking. All right, so the cable is gray. Again, we know the cable on the Rival 5 is not the best. Okay, so we got gray here and then white right there. Yo, that just looks so good. Again, I just wish they made the cable a bit better on the Rival 5. I love this mouse, even in my standalone review. I praised it. It's just such a great shape. It feels fantastic in the hand. I love the extra buttons, right? This, you got this up and the down right here, and then this right here. Great for Destiny, right? With the multiple, your supers and stuff like that, abilities. Really cool to have these extra buttons. But this mouse, as far as cosmetics, whew, this thing is gorge. All right, so we have unboxed the mouse pad here, and then the Rival 5 mouse. We have the RGB fired up, and hot tamale, these things are looking stinking hot. As we're unboxing all this stuff here, guys, if you're more interested in like the core performance of the product and how comfortable it is, yada yada, I did do standalone reviews of all of these products, not the mouse pad, but as far as the mouse and the headset. So again, if you want a more deeper dive into the product itself rather than just a look, go check out those standalone reviews as well. But let's go ahead and unbox the Arctis one. As you see over here, this says in-game emote as well, which is the same thing that the mouse has. So I wonder if it's two different emotes. Again, it just doesn't say on the box right here what it is. So let's go on and slice these open. And if any of you are curious, like if any of this will work on multiple platforms, yes, it will. The Arctis one, again, they connect by 3.5 and then go right that way. All right, so let's, okay, so there we go. That's our, all right, so here we go. There's my little emote deal. So you can see the cables are gray to match. Yo, these ear cushions. It's like this heather gray. Can you catch it in the camera? It's not like a solid gray. Again, just kind of like the heather gray. You got the little print inside. Yo, so stinking cool. Now let me get this plastic off the headband. All right, so now that we have the plastic off the headband, as you can see, you have the factions printed up top there in silver. It looks really nice along with the white. You got the gray cushions with the print in there, the gray headband, the gray wire. Coming over to the side of your volume wheel and then your mic mute switch, they are kind of like a sky blue, and it goes really nice with the mouse pad right there, kind of giving that sky or that space kind of theme right there. But the really cool thing is when you come over to the ear cups and we fold them out here, take a look at that art right there with the Destiny and then the kind of little design right there. Yo, it looks so cool. And again, when you kind of combine it all with the art on the mouse pad, the art on the cushions, and then over here with the mouse as well, it's just, yo, it fits so nice. Gosh, it's gorgeous. Now for the DLC that came with each product, again, emote on the headset, an emote on the mouse, and then a banner with, or an emblem with the mouse pad. They come on these cool little cards that are wrapped in plastic on the back. You got to scratch away your code and everything. Again, it's really cool how they went into detail to give you some limited DLC along with each product, because when someone sees you in game, they say, oh, cool, yo, he's got those products right there. Again, that's just something really cool that I think, especially for a diehard Destiny fan. All right, quick update here, everyone. I wanted to download the emotes and then show them to you guys, but the emote is not able to redeem. You can enter your code on Bungie and everything, but you're not going to get the emote until the new DLC drops right there. Now, as far as the emblem over here, I'm going to show you right here. As you can see in the top of my screen, hopefully it's catching. You can see there is the emblem. And if we click on it over here, you can kind of see it a little bit better, hopefully, if it's picking up on the screen. Let's back out of there. I'm gonna go to my inventory and you can see how it looks up at the top right there. So, fairly cool. As you can see, it kind of has that fade from the orange and everything, and then up top. Now, again, unfortunately, the emote is not redeemable yet. And I don't know. This is kind of, you know how we got the emote with the headset and then we got the emote with the mouse. The emblem came with the mouse pad. Well, the emote with the headset and the mouse is the exact same. So when I tried to redeem this other one, it said I already redeemed it. So lucky for you guys, I'm going to do a giveaway for this. How to enter the giveaway? Well, go follow me on all of my platforms, right? You got YouTube, make sure you're a subscriber. Go on to Twitter, follow, Instagram, and follow right there. Go over and check out my website and everything, and I'll notify or I'll announce a winner within a week right there. Make sure you're active on those platforms, not just going over trying to claim a giveaway. You have to be active on those platforms, so then I'll actually see you whenever I'm just doing regular posts, and then again, I'll pick someone throughout one of those posts within a week to again get the emote in Destiny 2. So as far as the price of each product right here, and by the way, what I'm seeing so far is these products are exclusive straight through SteelSeries, links right down in the description. But anyways, the headset's coming at $60, mouse pad's coming in at $70, and then the mouse is at $75. So yeah, we're seeing a little bit of that Destiny tax on there, right? Again, it's definitely a little bit more. Does it justify it for you? Again, as Destiny fans, I think it's just hands down gonna cover right there. And I just think the aesthetics and the look of it, it's just like, yo, it's this piece I want to display. I don't really want to use it because it looks so stinking good. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Which one is your favorite? I'm kind of leaning towards, this is, man. The mouse is like absolutely jaw-dropping. I just can't pick one, guys. They all look so stinking awesome. Let me know what's your favorite right down in the comments. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing right here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye now.